HBMX, and I'm going to do a bike check on my bike. So, let's start from the top and go down to the bottom. I have ODI Long Neck Super Soft Grips, 8.25 Rise Premium Stray bars, half of a Premium Stray headset, the other half is a 2016 Stolen Heist. For the forks, I have 2015 Premium Stray, same with the rims, 2015 Premium Stray rims on the front and back. Kinder Contact front tire, 2009 DK Cygnus frame, 170mm Premium Stray cranks, Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, a bunch of different KMC chains for the chain. For the sprocket, I think I have a 2000. I have the Stolen Heist sprocket, whatever that one is, and for the pegs, I have Rant 4.5-inch pegs, and I think that's my whole bike. So that was my bike check. Subscribe to SB3MBX.